Previously, Chris and I finally got the last valley set of trusses on the house, and we have spent a huge portion of our time and effort to get this roof finished for winter.
Riley.
We also got to experience ice skating with our family on New Year's Eve outside with the snow falling down around us.
Happy New Year!
Stay tuned as we get the first of the interior walls up in the master bedroom, but not without me making changes to our original design plans in hopes that what I imagine in my head is a good idea for the better. Thankfully, I have Chris that usually trusts in me with the process of my crazy ideas. I don't want to look. What if I hate it? Huh?
Good morning, guys. We're back up here for a long weekend, and I'm going to try to tackle some of these interior walls that I haven't put up yet. So the first one I'm starting with is in here in our master bedroom. It's a pretty basic wall, straight wall with a doorway, non-load bearing. So we'll get that up, and then I think one thing we kind of decided yesterday when we were up here, this is where the shower's going, is in here. It'll be a dual head shower. But just looking at the window that we have here, it doesn't really, well, it serves a purpose and it will bring in light, but it's nothing that we can really get a view out of. And our whole purpose for liking it here so much is just the view. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that window here down to the same height as there, just so we have a bit more view. And then George is talking about the shower comes to about here, and then she's got a 6-foot double sink vanity there. She's talking about putting a window above that so we have a view at the back. So before I can do that, I have to go outside because our roof continues up on the outside of this wall to the top of the peak of this roof. I got to make sure that if we did put a window in there, that it wouldn't be cutting through that roof line. So I think we'll do that later today when it gets bright out. As you can see, it's still dark. So let's get moving. All right, so we got that wall built. Now I'm going to attempt to stand it up by myself. Not sure if I'm going to be able to. One is, I think I made it too tight width-wise. We're going to have some trouble standing it up. So let's give it a go. All right, in case you're wondering what I'm looking at over here, I did previously chalk a line on the floor, so I've got a straight line. I'm just gonna check to see how plumb our doorway is, which, let me see there. It's not horrible. It's not not great. I'm gonna see if I can rack it to the right just a little bit. Yeah, actually this side's a little better, but I think we're gonna try to scoot the bottom over to the left and the top over to the right. See if we can get that a little better. Oh yeah, that moved. There we go. You'd probably say, hey Chris, that's a lot of nails you're putting in there. I'd rather have more nails than not enough nails. Come on. One more for good luck. So the wall's up. Turned out decent. Only thing left to do is to cut out this bottom sill since I won't be needing it. There we be. All right, next, I think is we tackle this window since, I don't know, get it done and over with. All right, so we're gonna go 60 inches to the bottom of the window. Three inches down, that's my 60, that's the top. This goes down here. Yep. Get this off now. Here we use a bigger hammer.
Chris continues on to move down the windowsill plate so we can go on to framing more walls.
Do you want me to try to get there?
I don't know.
Why are these shit so heavy?
All right, so we're starting on the closet wall. George is cutting all the boards, the 2x4s for the closet wall, and I'm gonna start nailing them together. what I'm just about to ask you.
Yeah. You can mark the bed.
Right here.
I know how far out it comes.
Go get your tape measure down the sea can.
No.
Yes.
That's the end. Jeez, we're short.
What do you mean? That's a standard.
I know, it seems
Standard height. 6'8".
short.
Yeah.
I am.
It'll be a bit farther with the bed frame and stuff, but.
And I look like the right size. With the kids entertained watching a movie, Chris and I were able to keep plugging along wall after wall and getting a bunch of them framed in.
Can't walk all the way.
Now I have to drive flat. I'm sorry, I can't hold it. We completed the walls from the master bathroom, the bedroom, and the laundry room. Now Brooklyn is getting to build a few walls with Chris before nightfall hits.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Riley?
Yeah.
That's what it's for.
So
Pass
from
me that
the
black thing.
screw?
Where's the wrench?
Alright, what are you doing there?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're not doing anything? Are you putting that bolt in?
Huh?
Putting that screw in?
Yeah.
Tightening it?
In the evenings, we have been making a few minor additions to the container house. We got the shelf for under the TV for storage, and Chris made these shelves for on the wall above the stove.
Morning, guys. We got kind of a socked in morning with all this fog. I had to go check on our burn pile over here and add a little bit bit more to it and get this one pile burnt. And then get back up to the house and see if we can frame a couple more walls. It's warmed up quite a bit from last week where it got the minus, I think they hit minus 20, 29 up here last week. Alright, so here's a look at my pile just after I stacked it. So it'll take a couple of minutes to get hot enough to burn off. There's so much dirt in these piles that these loggers stack that it takes a bit to burn off before it burns nice and clean. Love that sound. Quarter, 9 5 3/4. That's half of a 3 1/2. It's 1 3/4. All right, so the game plan for today is we've decided in our master bathroom that we don't have any view facing out the back. So to tie in with our making this window taller so we could see, we think we're gonna do a window right in front of where the vanity is, so that as we're coming in here or doing whatever we're doing at the sink, we can look out the back and see anything on the hill, or just enjoy the view, get some more light in here. George has found a couple designs online where they have a window right above the vanity and they have the mirrors still over top, and still looks good. So we're gonna lay that out, being that this is the end gable wall or gable truss there. We're gonna throw a header in there. And I think we're gonna do that size in terms of length, but we'll just have a deeper, taller window. Yeah, why am I measuring that? That's got to completely come out.
Yeah.
You can smash these other ones out if you want.
Always up or down?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, your camera fell off.
The tripod broke.
I figured you did. Are you kidding me?
What?
That's what we gotta live with now.
Well, I gotta stick them in the corner for now.
I like that one.
Well, maybe
Completely useless.
we can glue it back on. I'm too strong. Feels like it's getting colder. So with this being a load-bearing wall, Chris is kind of nervous to take it all out so that it doesn't drop. So hopefully it'll all be okay. What?
Oh, the creeping?
That's just nails. So you're gonna hold the header while I put these in? Here we go.
No, out of it.
Yeah, first. Don't get mad at me, but I broke this.
What? How? Brand new tape measure.
Because I had it in the wood and then it went sliding
Stupid.
and flew off the side of the wall downstairs.
You cost more money than you make money. That's 3 things.
What did I break? Now there's 2.
3. Your cup, the camera, and that.
What? Oh my God. I didn't break the
Yes,
cup.
you did break the cup. It came out of your hands. So in theory.
Well, we're done now because that was 3.
Bullshit.
What?
A lot of items.
Yeah, no. I don't want to look. What if I hate it? Huh? Oh! You will not be sleeping in the bathroom.
Okay, look at that.
Do you love it? Except for you'll have a mirror here.
And there we have it, another successful weekend with raising the first of the interior walls on the upstairs of the house. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you on the next one.